All right, so the next question, this is really good actually. Is there this is from Sohail? So this is there any problem with sharing an affiliate link to your clients on Upwork chat box? For example, affiliate link for hosting company. Look, I don't see any problem in this as long as you just let them know what you're doing. Because I think that this is a huge piece of your business. I talk about this. I call it your dividends, and I think this is something that you should try and work in with all your contracts if you can. I mean, it's amazing that if you can make an affiliate sale, that these platforms are willing to give you 20 and 30% of their lifetime purchase value from that client. Just let them know that you're doing it. And normally your client's going to be psyched that you're getting this payment. I mean, why? I mean, they don't know the company platform that they're dealing with personally. You know, like they're paying the same amount. So why should they care if a commission payment's being paid to you? I think just be honest about it and only be an affiliate for the products that you truly believe like are the right ones. And the right ones can be different for different companies, right? Like I have vertical affiliate links or horizontal, I should say, for different types of product or of different platforms. So I have one for, I don't have one for Kajabi, but I have one for Active Campaign, and I have one for Infusionsoft, and I have one for, all like, a million different ones. And what I do is I make a bit.ly and I put everything in there. So if I need the resource, if I need to copy them at any time, I know exactly where to find them. And it also doesn't look as crazy when you do copy and paste it, but just let them know that it is an affiliate link. Don't try to be sneaky about it and try to just make commissions off a lead that you don't even know and just be shady. Just say through the recommendations, like, hey, I recommend this hosting. Like, do you mind if we use my affiliate link? Like, these are the guys that I really like and work with. I see nothing wrong with that. And I've never seen anything that Upwork has an issue. And if they do, that's really unfortunate. And I hope that they change that, because that's really, really short-sighted, because I think that freelancers can significantly benefit from making these dividends, and they can really add up. I mean, Active Campaign commissions like 30-40% on something that someone's paying $100+ a month. I mean, won't you take $30-40 on average? Like, doesn't that sound pretty cool per client? Imagine getting 10, 20, 30 clients to do that. I mean, that's great. And I mean, you can't just trade time for forever. So yeah, awesome question. So thank you so much for that, Sohail. And yeah, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.